So now we're going to do the same problem as Sal, but slower and with a flow map so we can solve other problems later on. I don't have that much space, I'm going to write one step at a time and you'll have to connect them in your own notebook. So the first step is to multiply the ones place bottom number, in our case the 3, by the top number, which is 36. So let's do that. 3 times 6 gives us 18. We have an 8, carry the 1 to the tens place. Then we have 3 times 3 plus the 1 above, which gives us 10. I'll give you some time here to copy the flow map down. After we multiplied the ones place in the bottom number, we need to multiply the tens place in the bottom number, which is a 2. Our flow map step is to put a 0 in the ones place below our first answer. Like Sal said, this is because the 2 is actually in the tens place, so it's not really a 2 times 36, this is a 20 times 36, and we just start our numbers, our answer, in the tens place. Now the next step in our flow map is to take our tens place and multiply it by our top number, and then write our answer starting in the tens place. So in this case I have my 2, or 20 really, so we're going to multiply it by our 6, that gives us 12. 2 times 6 is 12, so I'll put a 2 down starting in the tens place. I'll carry my 1 above. Now 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 up here gives us 7, so I'll write the 7 in the hundreds place there. So now we're left with two numbers we need to add together. We have 8 plus 0, which is 8. We have 0 plus 2, which is 2. And then we have 1 plus 7, which is 8. So our final answer of 36 times 23 is 828. So this is the recap of what we just learned. To multiply a two-digit number by another two-digit number, first we started with the one place value and multiply it by the top number. In this case, 3 times 36. 3 times 6 is going to give us 18. We're going to carry our 1. And 3 times 3 is 9, plus that 1 is going to give us 10. Next, we look at the tens place value, which is a 2, and multiply that by the top number. We also can forget about that 1 we used previously because we do not need it. So we put our placeholder 0 so we don't use that space, and we go 2 times 6 is 12, starting at the tens place, carry a new 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and then we can add our numbers together. So 108 plus 7, 20. 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1 plus 7 is 8. So our answer to 36 times 23 is 828.